Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Shy Guy from Mario. Before we get started though, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to use a black marker and I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, so now I'm going to do two ovals. And I'm going to color those ovals in black. Okay, now I'm going to do a little oval right here. Okay, so now we have his two eyes and his little mouth. Now I'm going to do a line and another little line and another line going the other way. Now I'm going to give a little line up, just a little tiny one. And now I'm going to go curve all the way to the top of the head there. Okay. Okay, now next I'm going to do a little line coming down there from the strap of the back of his mask. Okay, next I'm going to do a line going out that way. This is going to be his little arm. And we're going to curve and go back. Okay. Next, we're going to make a little teeny tiny line and curve it a little bit. And then we're going to go across. And I'm going to go from here and come on down. Okay? Now, I'm going to give him his other little arm. So we're going to come out, curve, and come back in. Okay, so he needs a little belt. So I'm going to do a little line. And then we're going to come on and then go up. Okay, now his little belt buckle. So I'm going to do a line down and another little line down. Now we got to finish off his shirt. So it's poking out. Do a little curve. And we're going to come on over and curve it up. And now he's got great big shoes. Okay, little curved line there. It's going to be the back of his heel. Now we're going to go a little line down and curve up. Okay, now we're going to give the little bottoms of his shoes here. Okay, like that. And now we're going to do his other shoe. It's going to be poking out here. Back of it. And now we're going to do the bottom of his shoe. Alrighty. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to color him in. And you don't need very many colors for Shy Guy. You just need a black for his eyes and his little mouth. And we're going to need a brown to color in his belt. And we're also going to use brown for the bottoms of his shoes, the soles of his shoes. And also for the strap here on the mask. Okay. All right, now I'm going to take a yellow and color in his belt buckle. And next I'm going to take a red and color in his, well, his whole body. Shy Guy is mostly red. And so after we use our red, the next color we're going to need is a blue for his shoes. So I think this red color here is the perfect color for Shy Guy. This is a Artist Loft marker. It is called Red Rose and it's R11. I think this is a really, really nice red. Really, really good color red for Shy Guy. But you certainly don't have to use the exact colors I'm using. Not at all. And it doesn't have to be marker either. You can use whatever art supplies you have. You can use crayons, you can use coloring leads. All up to you. So his little arm. And the bottom of his shirt. All right, almost done. We need to fill in those shoes. All right, so I'm gonna take this Artist Laugh marker here. This one is called Oxford Blue. It's B8, and I think it's a really good color for his shoes. It's a really nice deep blue. And now the other shoe. We're almost done. All right, there we go. We are done our picture of Shy Guy. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video, today's Daily Doodle, and I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you here next time. All right, everybody, bye.